Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you 2 easy ways to make Christmas candle holders. And for that you are going to need the following: a pack of tree branches, sand, a clear vase, 1 candle, a hot glue gun, 2 to 3 Christmas stems to your liking, and ribbon. So let's get started on our first candle project. First, we are going to do 3 loops with our tree branches around the vase. Then we are going to cut the Christmas stems to glue them on the branches. Once that's done, we are going to pour the sand inside our clear vase with our candle. And there you have it, guys, our first Christmas candle done. For our second candle, we are using the same vase, sand, and a candle, but this time we are going to decorate the top portion of our vase. Cut the ribbon so it fits tightly around our vase. Then we are going to cut our berries to glue them on the top of the ribbon. We are also going to glue a couple of leaves for a better look. And that's it. I thought they both turned out really cute. As always, I hope you like and subscribe, and see you on my next video. Bye!